Welcome back. More silicone bronze. If you ain't got one of these little lift tables there, you need one. They are the world of dreams. Telling you, like anything like that. Mine's a little broken here. I keep my handle free, so that way I don't. So ooh, cameraman. Who's that guy? Gonna have to fire him. Anyway, I keep mine loose here, so that way I don't kick it with my leg. You know, because stuff's annoying. And then here. Da, 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 da. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun. One-handed, boys, girls, one-handed. Locked in place, just like that. Me, lock my handle, and just like that. Boom. All right. That's how we do. All right. Okay, I'm not too great at this yet there, but it works a little bit. Works a little bit good at that. I'm gonna do better today. I'm gonna do some more stuff there today. It's gonna look cool there. It's gonna look cool. I'm gonna put the chair. I'm gonna put the chair on just so you can see. Just don't fit. Me telling you. Alright. Check it out. Check it out. Oh, yeah. That'll be alright. Be cool. Barstool racer style. Dun, 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 dun. And this is not my bike. It's a friend's. And he has got a Husqvarna 60cc. The gear drive. What's going in there? That's the gas tank. You see it? This is perfect. Now, again, this is not my build. I'm just helping a friend. I'm the light guy, I'm the camera guy, I'm the narrator, I'm the master Vader. I am your father. Alright, enough of that. Because that's going to be pretty sweet when it's all done. Let's go up and down again. Oh, yeah. Alright, again, proof, we got the junk. Is it hooked up yet? Nope. Junk's not hooked up. Power. Nope. Lights. Camera. There's a power cord. Is this one here? Without getting shocked? Oh, what was that? That was my helmet. Damn, it scared me. Shoot. Damn. Like, who does this stuff? I need those glasses. Ridiculous. Not even funny. Silicone bronze. Man, can't be nice to this kind of stuff all the time. Oh, we got gas. Yeah. Alright. We gotta move the seat. Put that up there. Throw it over here. Alright. Okay. We're gonna ground. We're gonna ground. First off. Now guys, remember, watch out for leaks because you'll blow up. It's an inert gas. Just kidding. Okay, we all know. Good ground, good welds. Good ground, good welds. Right there. Right. Story. Okay, stay tuned. I need a camera stand. Yep. Alright guys, so we're moving up, we leveled up, we got ourselves a stand. So again, just a disclaimer, these videos are just, you know, for entertainment purposes. You know, we just do this stuff for fun. At the end of the day, we're not here to be, we work hard, we just want to enjoy ourselves. And, you know, if anybody just goes out and hangs out in the shop after hours, you know, has a good time, this is what it's gonna be, and this is what you're gonna get, and yeah, so get what you get. We're gonna do some quick welding here, silicone bronze. I'm gonna do what I can to put this seat post mount on here, and you're gonna see I got some real thin metal. Not gonna say where it came from. It melts so quick. It's not your average pipe, even if it's a small pipe like that. Like, you know, a good steel, a quarter-inch pipe like that shouldn't, or eighth of an inch pipe should still be good. 14 gauge, you know, 16 gauge, 18 gauge, 20 gauge. I think we're into the 20 gauge pipe here, and it's silicone bronze. Seems to not be melting through. We're gonna see if we can build up some of these gaps like that. Show you guys if I can build that up. Gaps like that, you know. Look, this is just fun, fast mini bike. Toss your average chainsaw that's been laying on the bench. Take that, take it apart, put the motor in this. You know, throw a granny seat on the bike and let's go. So it's a 60cc Husqvarna. It should be a little bit better than the 49cc. branding bikes that they have. Alright, you don't want to. Okay, forget what settings we got. Let's speak a little louder. I don't know why my thing's not shutting off here. We're gonna fix that right now. Okay, fixing that. Get rid of all my heat for no reason. Alright. Gas is on. Everything's on. Where are we gonna stick this light? Alright. Okay, for all you guys that didn't notice, the sweater's on upside down so we don't show the work labels. And if you don't do it, that's how you get 3 days out of your underpants. You put them inside out. So if you don't do it, now you probably will. See what we got here. As you can see, you can really put the sauce to it. Stay tuned. 66.